Hello guys, I will show you how to find out duplicate values or duplicate records from the database. So guys, today in my office, one assignment is assigned to me to find out duplicate records from a database table. That time I have used a function that is soundx function. By help of this soundx function, I had solved my problem. So guys, that's why I make this video for you people. If you face this problem, you can solve your problems. I use this soundx function. What is soundx function? The soundx function returns a 4-character code to evaluate the similarity of two expressions. The soundx converts the string to a 4-character code based on how the string sounds when spoken. Let's see how soundx works. So guys, I will explain it practically. For that, just go to the SQL server and here in this database, I will create a table that is employee. Let's create a employee table here. I will create this employee table with some duplicate records. So here I will add some columns for employee. First of all, I will add employee ID. Now add data type integer, add employee name with data type varchar 100 and add column address with data type varchar 150, add column name postal code of employee with data type varchar 50 and then add the column name country with data type varchar. Now set the primary key to employee ID and set identity specification to yes. Now uncheck all allow nulls for all columns. Now it's time to save the table. Give the table name employee and click on OK. Now table is saved, but here data is not available. So I have already some data. Just copy this data and paste in the table one by one. So now data are available, but duplicate records are not there. So make some duplicate records for employee name. Let's do it. So this is the duplicate records for employee ID. So guys, now I will show you practically how to soundx work. Let's see. Write a syntax for soundx. Select soundx and here in the bracket write character expression. I will write a string that is Smith, and now if you execute this expression you can see the result that is S530. So why this alphanumeric string is coming? Because soundx converts a alphanumeric string to a 4-character that is based on how the string sounds when spoken in English. Here the out of 4 character, first character of the code is the first character of the character expression and converted to uppercase. The second, third and fourth characters of the codes are numbers that represent the letters in the expression. Here one important note is the letters A, E, I, O, U means all vowels and only H, W, Y consonants are ignored unless they are the first letters of the string. Zeros are added at the end of if necessary to produce a 4-character code. So guys, if I write the same sound with different spelling, that is Smith. SoundX, first bracket writes character expression, that is Smith, with different spelling. These two strings are same sound but different spelling. So, so if you execute this, you can see same code is coming, that is S530 and S530. So these both strings sounds are same but different spelling. So guys, if you have same values and different spelling in your database table, then you can easily find out duplicate records by help of this SoundX function. Let's see how to find out duplicate records from the table. Here I am going to write a select query from employees table. Select star from employees. Now it's time to use the SoundX function to get duplicate records of employee name. Write employee name column here. So guys, here if you execute this query, then you can see all duplicate and non-duplicate records are coming. So if you want to see the exact results of SoundX, then you have to change the spelling of same sound values. Here you can see all values, sounds and spellings are same. That's why the SoundX functions is not working, because we know that the SoundX function returns similarity of two values if those values sounds are same but spellings are different. Now if you change the spelling of any one from these two values, suppose I have changed the string Maria Anders, instead of I, here I have write Y. Here you can see these two spellings are different, Maria Maria, but sounds are same. Now SoundX will works. Let's see. Now execute this query. Let's change here. I want to see Maria is duplicate or not. Let's see. So here you can see the results. Two values are coming because these two values sounds are same but spelling is different. That's why it's coming. So guys, if you have any issue up to this video regarding SoundX function, or you want to get the PDF of this tutorial, please comment or mail me to this email address so I can guide you properly. So guys, if you like this video, then please share with your friends and subscribe this channel to get all this important notification. Thank you for watching.